Unbaked yeast bread dough is one of the most dangerous kitchen hazards for a curious dog. Inside the warm, humid environment of a dog's stomach, the live yeast continues to ferment and expand rapidly, causing life-threatening gastric bloating. Worse yet, the fermentation process produces ethanol alcohol directly into the bloodstream, leading to severe alcohol poisoning and seizures. If your dog ingests any raw yeast dough, contact an emergency veterinarian immediately before severe swelling occurs. Remember to like and subscribe.